Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 073848 1382. Today we have a 2011 Mazda 6 hatch. This vehicle sustained damage to the front. This shape ran from the first month 2008 to the 11th month 2012. This vehicle is fitted with an MZR-CD 2.2 litre turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. The left-hand front guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 18-inch alloy mag wheels. Left front has a good tyre. We have the left-hand power door mirror. Left-hand front door appears to have no damage. Left-hand rear door appears to have no damage. Factory 18-inch alloy mag wheel. Left rear has a good tyre. Left-hand tail light in tidy condition. Left-hand boot garnish. Right-hand tailgate garnish. Right-hand tail light. Have the tailgate, appears to have no damage. Factory 18-inch alloy mag wheels. Right rear has a good tyre. We have the right-hand front door, appears to have no damage. The right-hand power door mirror. Factory 18-inch alloy mag wheel. Right front has a good tyre. Front guard, right-hand side, appears to have no damage. We have the driver's power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with a factory leather interior in black. Has a tidy center console lid, tidy manual transmission center console, handbrake lever, factory AC climate controls, factory sat-nav 6-stack CD player. Has a tidy left-hand sun visor, tidy interior courtesy light with sunglass holder, tidy right-hand sun visor, manual transmission instrument cluster, also has a tidy black leather steering wheel. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.